It is so good, you guys. I love trying new places, but this place is like one of the only places that we've gone to several times. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Stacy and this is Kingsley, and today we're gonna take you all around the Nimon area of Chiang Mai, Thailand. We've been here for about a month and it's been really nice to kind of put our feet down for a little bit and get to know our neighborhood. So we're gonna take you guys along today. So we found this noodle place called Crazy Noodle, and it's super close to our apartment, like maybe like a 5-minute walk, and it is so good, you guys. I love trying new places, but this place is like one of the only places that we've gone to several times. I'm gonna get the same thing that I order every time.
Yes,
right?
yeah. I mean, great noodle dishes, soups, and it's great stuff. You can put different types of meats in there, or you can make it vegetarian if that's what you're into.
I've gotten every time we've come here, and it is a minced pork with salted egg. I'm still not 100% sure what that is. It's really good, and it's in a tom yum spicy soup. I like to get the perfect bite by putting some soup in the spoon and then grabbing like a handful of noodles, or you know, a chopstick full of noodles, and put it into the spoon, and it makes the perfect bite. So good. It's like spicy, but not overly spicy, and a little sweet at the same time. And the noodles with the pork, oh my god, this is a rice vermicelli that I got. It's so good.
All right, so I got the pork cutlets, deep fried, with the egg noodles, and the it's the broth. It's the hot and sour broth. It's got a little spice to it. You know, these egg noodles give you a little more protein. Use the chopsticks with it because you know we're in Asia and that's what they do here. Although I've been learning they don't use as much chopsticks as we think. It's good. It was really good. The pork cutlet is the best thing I think in this spot. So, and the broth is just amazing. So check it out.
I figure, you know, I was in a kind of a food coma from lunch, so I got an iced coffee because I know we're gonna have to go work now from a cafe where I'm gonna probably drink more coffee. Ember has been one of our favorite cafes to work from in Chiang Mai. The food, atmosphere, and prices are a little more on the western side, but we found it most comfortable when posting up with our laptops for hours. That way we can save our adventurous energy for exploring later on in the day. One Nimon is a brand new hip hangout spot filled with boutiques, stores, and shops. Some are familiar, others are a little quirky, and there are some that are, well, straight up unusual. There is also a food court with tons of stalls that bring the best street food options to one place, making it a no-brainer for tourists. So Chiang Mai has a ton of night markets, and it almost seems like there's a night market for every day of the week. But there is one that is just the regular night bazaar, and I think it runs every night of the week, and we're gonna go check that out now. Our big mission is to find another GoPro battery, because for whatever reason, our GoPro 7 Hero battery just dies so fast. So we're gonna try to go get another one. So we're in right now what's called a Songthaew, and it's like a red pickup truck, and you usually share it with other people, and you tell the guy where you want to go, and it's 30 baht per person, so it's about $1 each, and it takes you to where you want to go. Sometimes you have to negotiate a little higher price if it's not within, you know, a certain area. Yeah, we're going to the night market now, and we got the 30 baht each, so we're pretty happy.
Oh, he's out. He's been out.
Oh. So we just got to the night bazaar, and it's about 5:30, so the sun is just starting to go down, and they're just starting to get everything up and running for the market here. So we're gonna go try to find that GoPro battery.
So still on the hunt here for GoPro batteries. We found a place here. This looks pretty promising right here. Will you do 400?
This one 400 cannot. Maybe that's 500.
450?
Okay, for you, for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Try? You want to try?
Yeah, let's try it. Thank you. So she let us try the battery before we bought it, which was really nice, and the first battery actually didn't work. So she was like, oh, let me give you another battery, and that one did work, which is what we're using right now. And so that's just a little lesson. Always test out your electronics if you can before you buy it. You just never know.